Hi guys, you are back to Warthog Defense, the best channel for the update on the situation in Ukraine. The US supplied cluster munitions remain one of the most dangerous weapons for the Russian military. While the situation in Avdiivka is worsening for the Ukrainian, the good news is that the F-16s are closer to Ukraine.
Oh, really?
A Russian unit was eliminated after the use of cluster munitions. Daily face of war.
Oh, really?
Update of Russia fires. Resort hotel and nightclub are burned down in Russian Tolyatti. The F-16, if it comes to Ukraine, will become an imminent target for Russia. Therefore, we must do everything to ensure that the infrastructure being prepared is adapted. This is not a very simple process, especially when we are under daily shelling. Air Force spokesman Yuri Ignat said,
Особливо, коли ми знаходимося під щоденними обстрілами. Тому адаптація інфраструктури відбувається, пілоти навчаються.
The moment the Shade drone was shot down by the eyes of the air defense system operator. The drone is very durable, even after the explosion of a rocket, apparently small, an arrow or a stinger. It preserved the integrity of the structure. Ukrainian Secret Service HUR publishes intercepted a call proving use of Starlink by Russian army. In the short call, a serviceman who installed the system confirmed connection between two Wi-Fi bridges.
Да, сделали. Они приложение установили, все им объяснил. Starlink работает, интернет есть. По мостам интернет есть? Да, по мостам есть.
Russian Ministry of Defense video of Shoigu allegedly visiting various command posts. It shows Western Military District CO Evgeny Nikiforov, Alexander Lapin, Alexei Kim, Valery Solodchuk, Valery Gerasimov, and an FSB Border Guards commander. It seems that Gerasimov is alive, although this video can be from any date. Yesterday in Khimki, Moscow region, about 10,000 Russians formed the letter Z at the start of the mass race, Ski Track of Russia 2024. So they are proud for being zombies. Russian Army S-350 Vityaz SAM system 50P-6E missile launcher ran over their own Russian mine on the front line in Ukraine. February 6, 2024. Russia has a handful of such systems, which entered service in 2020. If there is a 5-story building and we aim for the entrance, if not this entrance, then definitely the neighboring one will be hit. A Russian serviceman told about military targets and the accuracy of bombing raids on Ukraine.
По, скажем так, точности наведения, ну там буквально сантиметры.
Сантиметры? И это касается в том числе и циркона?
Циркона, да.
То есть если стоит перекрестие, можно вот как снайпер попасть в перекрестие?
Практически да. Если вот стоит 5-этажный дом, то мы прицелились в подъезд. То вот это вот, если не в этот подъезд, то в соседний точно летает.
The only Iranian thing we found in the shads were the spark plugs. The rest of the components, in particular the engine, are foreign, said the Ukrainian military. So the parts are from US, Europe, China.
Що знаєте, така популяризована журналістська назва.
And Australia first blocked the transfer of its F-18s to Ukraine, and now Australia blocked the transfer of MRH-90 Taipan transport helicopters to Ukraine on the advice of the Ministry of Defense. Ukraine first expressed interest in using MRH-90 Taipan helicopters during a meeting held in October 2023. These helicopters, in the amount of 45 machines, have not flown since 2021 and were prepared for disposal. But they decided not to transfer them to Ukraine. Foreign Minister Penny Wong noted that the government acted on the advice of the Australian Ministry of Defense, which was against such a transfer of equipment. Estonia will continue to build a line of defense on the border with Russia, despite Putin's statements about the lack of intentions to attack NATO countries. We will not change our plans just because Putin gave an interview, Defense Minister Hanno Pevkur said. And for the end, current weather conditions in Ukraine.
Такую позицию, и вот такая вот картина. Вот такая вот картина, ребятушки. Это да, это уже все. Стала машина до весны. Вот такие вот дела. Вот вам что такое зона. Не, ну нормальный лед. Вот вам что зона боевых действий. Понимаю. Вот такие вот мармелады.
I hope you like this video. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.